Kwazulu Natal can expect hot weather over the next couple of days, and although things remain predominantly dry on Wednesday, we're expecting a band of thundershowers and showers to form across South Africa on Thursday. Tomorrow we'll also see cloudy, cold and even wet weather move in over the western parts. Morning fog started off the day along the northeastern escarpment. Our satellite shows some cloud popping up around Lesotho, which is where we can expect the showers and thundershowers on Wednesday. Our satellite also shows a band of cloud heading towards the west coast, and that moves in the second part of the day. Things remain cool over the western part of the country, but the warm forecast for KwaZulu Natal, partly cloudy and mild for much of South Africa, with thundershowers in the forecast around Lesotho. On Thursday, hot weather is expected over parts of KZN and the Lowveld. Here's that band of thundershowers forming across the country, eventually reaching the eastern Cape Coast in the evening. Cloudy weather and the possibility of rain is forecast in the southwest, with drizzle as we head along the west coast, and yet another cold day is in store over the western part of South Africa. Here's that 40% chance of showers and thundershowers around Lesotho, but the dry forecast for the rest of South Africa. It's another windy day over the central and northeastern parts, with wind speeds of between 25 and 30 kilometers per hour. A moderate northeasterly wind is forecast along the east coast, with winds turning to the northwest in Cape Town ahead of that band of cloud. It's another cold day in Cape Town at 16 degrees, 17 as we head into Vredendal and George, 18 degrees for Port Elizabeth, Bethlehem and Johannesburg, and we're expecting a warm afternoon for Bombela at 24, hot for Richards Bay at 30 degrees, with Durban and Pietermaritzburg expecting highs in the upper 20s. Overnight, things stay mild in Richards Bay at 14, 10 as we head along the eastern Cape Coast as well as for Bombela, 8 degrees for Johannesburg and Bloemfontein, 9 as we head into Pretoria, and a freezing start of the day in Graafrenet, 4 degrees for George, only 1 for Springbok, and Sutherland dropping 4 degrees below zero overnight. It's a beautiful winter's day in Durban today, with lots of sunshine and a warm afternoon at 27. Light to moderate northeasterly winds are forecast, but overnight those turn to the northwest, with a minimum temperature of 13 degrees and cloud-free conditions. Our extended forecast takes us into Thursday, where you'll see particularly hot weather over the extreme northeastern part of South Africa, sizzling hot for Richards Bay at 33, with thundershowers expected over the central and southeastern parts, and you'll also see that cloudy, wet and cold weather in the west. Then on Friday, cold weather extends all the way through to the central interior, even extending into Gauteng. Cloudy and wet weather moves in for Durban and East London and remains in the forecast for Cape Town with a high of only 13 degrees. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.